Ohaneze. Actually, you share telecast here, share video, or the video Yahweh. I'm going to answer. If any make video about this our sister Ogechi Njaka and J Park and just AguBaola. This thing have gone spiritual. I was meditating. I see when they plan to put this our sister in problem. And Ogechi Njaka, I would advise you to stop doing even days and 1 year in. Pray to Almighty God. Now, Afamu Prophet David Yahweh, High Priest of Eze Chukadibia. Onye ji ofo Chukadibia, ofo Chuku Igbo niile. Omu the spiritual warlord. Ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ. Onye ji ofo Chukwu n'Igbo niile. Ana m efe arụsị, ana m efe Mary, ana m efe Jesus. I worship Chukwu Okuke, called in Igbo language. Even a Hebrew language in Israel, all I Yahweh Elohim. Because of you that say Yahweh is idol. Not my business. I worship Chukwu Okuke. Omwaji, authority and the power. N'Igbo ni land niile, omwaji ofo Chineke, Suneke ndị agha. Yeah. Ejimogo, Ejimofo. Now, this message is going to this useless Nsi AguBaola, cheat of AguBaola, because that's what you are. You're a foolish idiot. Call yourself a king. Listen. I never mentioned your name in my video. I never called your name in my video. I was addressing things that Ebuka do. And let me lay foundation because of you that say I like trouble. Ebuka came out and look at the work and we have healed thousands of people all over the whole world. When Akwa come to challenge all the pastors, if any pastor talk, he will die 4 days. Ebuka is nowhere to be found. When I take the challenge, they find out I'm about to win Akwa. J Park begin to blackmail me, doing many videos. In case for you don't know how this battle starts. From there, reason why Chedunwadike died because of J Park. I'm here to say it. I have evidence. This is why Chedunwadike died. Chedunwadike was sick. They brought the picture on internet, on Facebook. Nobody want to talk about. All of them are running for him because of the evil they have committed. According to them, they are all gays. Though they don't want to associate with him. I take Chedunwadike upon myself. He's not my friend. But I know him. I love his music. I am the one that started his fundraising. I take his platform. I take his picture, his video, put on my platform, put his account number. We raised over 20-something million naira before J Park, J Idiot, Janata Akwa 1 million naira. Before J Park do that, I already prayed for Chedunwadike. They confirmed that Chedunwadike problem was kidney problem. They confirmed that kidney have gone. Go and check it. Almost spiritual world. But immediately I saw J Park came to collect 1 million naira at Akwa to look like if his Akwa is more powerful than me. Because here Mendi Bobo, and what I have to say the truth. Who he Chedunwadike from kidney? I am the one that hid him for kidney. What killed Chedunwadike is not kidney problem. Now, why Chedunwadike died? When J Park went there with Ebuka, they begin to make video. They begin to mock me. They try to humiliate me. I shed tears. I said, why? Because then I was calling to Chedunwadike's wife. They are picking. So all of a sudden, once J Park go there, he brought 1 million. If I back come and brought 5 million, I was calling them again. I started losing the phone. I lost almost 20-something million because I was seeing the alert. People, I say, if you send the money, send me the slip. Now, many of you will not understand this, but you all know me can inquire. Chedunwadike J Park. Chedunwadike will be alive, supposed to be alive today. I've heard many people from kidney. I've raised it. I've less a lot more, not one, not two. I've heard people from kidney, HIV, not one, not two. If you send a arrive, bring people. Let us go to media. I'll prove it. Now, listen very well. J Park was trying every means to bring me down because of what? J Park is one promoting Akwa then. I didn't know who is J Park. I didn't know anything. I don't even know Akwa. I came out to speak the truth. All of them gang against me. When I conquered them from that one, they ran. So Another opportunity J-Pack gets is when you now enter. Why I started fighting Ebuka is, how can you claim you're a prophet? How can you claim you're a man of God? This useless J-Pack that working with United up and down. You welcome him, you come and become your media man. That is why I have opportunity. J-Pack, few reasons don't want to go opportunity. Never can not destroy him. J-Pack crave with then AguBaola, Ijowa, and the name them as we go there. Those ones are not my problem. The main problem I have is I know it's J-Pack and this just AguBaola because just AguBaola begin to make the video. Creme, Ogechi that I went to collect power from Gabon, that I went to collect power from Senegal, that I went to join our court. This one, just AguBaola. That word they can still prove it. I told you, it's not about making noise. It's not, see, that police, you know, I've known them before you. This movie industry you're talking about, I am the king, I am the Nollywood inspiration. When it comes to movie industry, you're nobody. You're nothing. When it comes for entertainment industry, you're nobody, you're a shit. He said, no, my brothers. My brothers can't even do anything with you because the level they're operating, and they know who I am. So I'm not here to talk nonsense. I'm here to tell you, Ogechi of Okuke, Nani Bonine. I see where you're going to. You always go and bring out a book or some book of Moses. I want to mention some book of Moses here. I had to mention some book. We don't use the Bible. This Bible will all fuck up. Bible can they use? I don't use some book of Moses. Obruna David Yahweh, a Jagobedibia, since I started ministry. To do what? To do juju for me. Let me not see the light of the day. But Obruna David Yahweh, Chukukadibia, Ejebedibia, I joined the Hawkot. Because of Hawkot, that's why I run away from Jeremiah. Because of occultism, that's why I distinguish myself from TB Joshua. Because of occultism, that's why I don't have friends with any pastor. Listen very well. Can you prove it? Anybody who can prove that they don't come and take house that worth over 100 million naira in Lekki. You know the talk. They tell you, they pray, they show. Reason why you can't go up against me, because of me, I want to become prophet. I want to now arrange it to one Ebuka. If you want your ministry to succeed, distinguish yourself with this criminal called AguBaola. Let him go and continue with his own ministry. Jeremiah Omoto for me, distinguish yourself with from this just AguBaola, useless idiot. If you don't want problem in your life. The same way you people pursue J-Pack from Zion. See that time when people Ebuka pursues J-Pack for Zion. Do you see me talk about Zion again? Because we have been fighting that fight. They hide under Zion. They hide under Zion to fight people. Using Ebuka to cover up. James AguBaola, stand as a man, fight me. J-Pack, stand as a man, fight me. Don't use Zion. Now, if you only want instead for you to talk to address our sister, Ogechi Njaka, you begin to join her with Zion. What in concern Zion with what in the get talk? The only way I'm not supportive of Ogechi Njaka because he mentioned Fanyoba. That's my brother. I'm from Anambra State. He mentioned my brother. We know how powerful. We know how Fanyoba have touched life. We don't know about this type you're talking about. But no man is sent. I'm not here to defend anybody. But the only way you could have left the death to less, since he did not say it when he was alive, why are you saying it now? But that is apart. Truth is truth. What make Ogechi to say what he said? That's something that make him to say this because this is secret. Before I can come out to tell you that Mary is Satan, that I rejected billion from occultic kingdom. Here. If it's not true that I rejected money from Mary, Queen of Heaven, let me not see the light of the day. I have killed over 300 and something thousand demons. The girl are rescue that they want to sacrifice to Mary. This is not right. She had the telecast. High priest, Eze Chukukadibia. We know they worship idol. We know they worship Aros. We know they worship Amadioha. I'm not worship what I worship Chukukadibia. Eze Chukadibia. The high priest. Gather all your idols. Gather Akwa Korando, just AguBaola. Jepa. Gather all your native dot on Pewa house. And keep Bazua. I want on Kitineko. But I'm not about with me clear. I never fight any woman, and I hate when they want to intimidate woman. I told you people. I have served a woman that occultic men want to kill. Not one, not two. Many of them. But this night, this morning, just AguBaola, you look for my trouble. You blackmail me because of money you get. That money you get, you put inside problem. I'm here to promise you. If it not happen, camera see small. People just do, they hack my page. You're the reason why they hack my page, because you're the one that initiated that idea. Hacking page, we have the videos. But as the battle was so much, I was fighting with the Okite people, I was fighting with Ebuka, many people fighting one person. They did all sorts of things, they did spiritual work, they tried to kill me. This thing that, see, you have gone to bring small to show you what will happen to the girl. You want to now start creating problems, so the girl will have problem in America. We are not here for anybody to have problem. But anybody that wants to make people to have problem, you will begin to have problem. Because what the girl is saying, that's the truth there. We know what truth where I saw it. That's why when that guy, when Akwa want to destroy that guy, take the challenge. We are here to defend Igbo land. This is Igbo liberation. No truth. If it's not true, Jepa, come out and defend yourself. You're idiot. You're evil. I've been knowing. I told you, Jepa, King Memecha, you confirm what? Next time, you know the video way buffalo. Good at just AguBaola. It's just AguBaola, you will confirm. Come out. It's not Gaga water. It's not an occult. You must prove that occultism. Call police. You're nobody. Even all the Nollywood people, it's too small. The reason why you look at your winning, I win your people. Oh my God, but Ebuka, I will warn you, distinguish yourself from this useless idiot called AguBaola the same way you distinguish for Jepa. They are all idol worshippers. It's moving with Akwa. It's moving with money. Anyway, I see money go. Agu gebugu. Okay, it's not what up. Hey, I confirm it. You better go Ebenezer Church of Satan. Work on that your church. Let us see the powerful you are. Let us see your power. He said you have spiritual power. Work with it. He had no power. We are not here to talk about I am the spiritual warlord. He claim he have power. Come and face me. Forget Ebuka. Zion people, come out to your place for here. What do you name? Confidence Yoku. Reason why I know they call you because he never made bill against me. Remove yourself from this battle. The confidence Yoku. Leave them. Ogechi, first J-Pack and this useless idiot. I'm backing you up. My ear confirm na prophet, past prophet. My pion chaka. Go to J-Pack. My get out two of you. My pion chaka. Confirm. Before that to January, you will go hear scores. Naya. Okay, it's not Yahweh Yaje. Yahweh Yaje. They call God Abraham as a guy that woman Yahweh. You're mocking my God. The word will mock you. Confirm it. If you know happen, you know I'm not called by God. I am a walk. I don't have anything to do with native doctor. I don't have anything to do with occultic people. Do you know the kingdom that have fought a battle? Do you know the kind of battle I fought? For me to stand and fought Akwa and do you know how many thousands of the native doctors that fought me? They put my name more than 5,000 idols. But you know they called me. Because it was a bit me. Single man with occultism. That's why I'm angry with Ebuka. And Ebuka was not there to do anything. After the battle ended, he came out. That's the reason why. Reason why I fight with Ebuka because of these useless people. Ask James AguBaola, why is he not working with Ogechi? Once he heard that any prophet that is telling him, you go there. Why is he learning to Jeremiah? He heard that Jeremiah have money, go there. Criminal. Why is he with Ebuka? He have money. Yeah, Mbaka say, all of them, so you don't have spiritual father. What you have is where he hears some money day, you go there, go there, cover yourself. Stand as a prophet. Prophet know they look for spiritual father. Prophet is a man that God called. I am ordained from above. I will prove it to you. Because of that blackmail, you have blackmailed me. If you collected 1 million naira to blackmail me, you will spend 100 million naira to rescue yourself. You and J-Pack. If it's 500 naira you collected from Zion to blackmail against me, so it will look at I'm fake. If I be fake, starting from now, let me suffer. But if I'm not fake, if I'm not going to native doctor college juju, this altar, 1.16 million angel will crush you. Because of this evil prayer I'm making for this our sister, you want to prove you have power. Now I have come to buy the case from Ogechi Njaka. Ada Igbo, Ogechi Njaka, come out to one side, let me and then do a man to man. Asina ife si ike, agakwa odegu. Mberede dike mberede mere amata dike dibia gworo ọzọ bụ dibia. James AguBaola, ị na-agụ 7 book of Moses, ana m agụ Bible. Ị na-amụ essence, ana m amụ candle. Ị na-eme invocation of demons. I invoke the heaven angels. 1.16 million angels. You go confirm. Krishna, I want to say, see the altar here. This is more powerful altar in the world. I'll prove it to you now. I never made sure of it. I never do your name in anything. The only one I did is small. I did small for you people. Because the battle was too much. Ebuka, do that small one. Ebuka and back and went problem. Because people want to hack my page. Since you want problem. Mpiaya, J-Pack and Akozayom, no problem. I will tell you as it is. I want to be all game. Mpiaya, do say on 2 hours ago. Oh, more, Marian, when I know that person, Marian. And I will do more. Reason I will do more because you must prove that. Angaga will talk with AguBaola. You and J-Pack. J-Pack is the reason why Chedwadike died. Because of your evil, they want to intimidate me. And immediately I remove my hand for Chedwadike. And that sickness starts. That's what killed Chedwadike. Go and check it. Because God said, when I did that special prayer finish, Chedwadike was healed. And I said, start calling them, bring him to Zion so I can finish the work. J-Pack Rush, I got 1 million naira from Akwa. Ganye, teen internet, I'm not doing anything. I said, okay, you want to prove to me, no ego. I remove my hand. After when I bring all the home money, did he survive? He died because light and darkness have nothing in common. Now I know what you know. No, I'm not a homosexual. I'm not an occultic man. I know they do juju. If you have proof, come out. If you can prove it, come and take house in Lekki. That house that worth over 100 million. Come and take it. Anybody who can prove one native doctor, one more, go take picture. Me and that native doctor. Or we tell occultic where I belong. Come and take house in Lekki. But I'm here to tell you, as long as I don't have anywhere I belong, not chuku. I'll based on an aganacho also. Meaning look at also. If you walk, I'll be here to you. Starting that. Just AguBaola and J-Pack. I'm making this word. I told you people, that thing have done to me 2022, 2023. You get it now, 2025. You know, I told you people, this is our battle. Say this year I'm not fighting battle, but 2025, you will hear that this prayer I'm making now. All around the 2025 will go confirm whether there's a power or there's no power. Nobody know how water entered the coconut. I know they hide my word, I'm not a coward. After maybe mention a video Ogechi, get weapon voice. I'm putting my voice for you to know. Reply it if you have power. Do your spiritual work. Spiritual versus spiritual. My power as just AguBaola and J-Pack. Now will confirm them. All my the Yahweh. You are confirmed now. Now what can I have no? Now what can I have no? You may have money, you may know men, but I didn't The people that you know, I know them more than you, but I decided not to come and be. I don't trust in the man, I trust in the Almighty Yahweh. No be today. Where I travel go, you go Pakistan, you go in, you go. Would they go Europe? They go America. You never enter those areas, so go and sit down. Just AguBaola. If they go Europe, they go in all this useless country, Dubai. Go to UK and tell the neighbors as in UK. Keganga. Dubai, where they enter free visa. Okay, now there manipulation to scam people. You are doing your business. You can't get Akwa. You can't get million. You can't get million more. You can't konya. What are you trying to prove? You're not trying to take Christianity. That we that started to fight the war that we don't have sense. That's what you're trying to prove. We that to saw, okay, you mentioned Akwa. They are evil. You still correct the same mother as Jimokite. Are you not more evil? Just AguBaola and J-Pack, are you not more evil? Reason why, see, listen to this thing very well. Ezobi was talking this last year. But he might only one hair gaze open. Homo broga. J-Pack because by a war. That I was exposing J-Pack. J-Pack with all that thing, that's what led to that arrest. But they did not come out and tell us the truth. They hide it. Before Ezobi will have mind to go arrest J-Pack, something, and that's why they be able to die that thing. They could not carry that case. Because all continue, people will know the truth. Now, this our sister have come to bring out the truth. You now want to silence him. Who are you? Just AguBaola. You're threatening her. FBI will do. FBI what? You know what the FBI make you deport from Dubai. No, you have all the FBI, they deport you from Dubai. Come on, guys, sit down. You're nobody. You're only useless. See what that man is doing. You're supporting Jeremiah to be scamming people. See what this our brother is doing. VPN. That is how to know a man. He said, if they go helping out people, guy help on Igbo. He claim he have money. Guy with that guy help on Igbo and Igbo now. VPN, that black man, is he from Igbo land? Are you going to tell him what he's going to do with his money? Igbo has Igbo na Dubai. Guy help on the village, now. A lot of people now have and Go there and help them. Start charity begins at home. Stop moving around, going from church or going from native doctor. From which kind of nonsense is that? Any pastor, any prophet that is around this idiot called AguBaola in church, he's a satanic. Let him go and start his church, Ebenezer. People share the telegram, tag him, tag J-Pack, tag Zion, tag Ezobi, tag Akwa. Let him go and meet Akwa. This one, my Akwa, my children, and everything you close down. Akwa, we saw you there. We saw you many divya. Which people come J-Pack with him? Do all the whole native doctors. These are the Zionites. Do Zion you move. I told you people, forget it. He they pray they should. Truth never come out. When I told you they are Zion of Satan, because he take a Satan to work with Satan. How can a man claim that he's fighting for God is a homosexual? Are you not a satanic? And Ebuka be around there. That means you also a satanic. How will you allow such people in your church? Let them go to Mountain of Fire and do it. Let them go to Deeper Life and do it. No, they can't. Let them come to the Yahweh church and do it. A church is a place of holy. Anyone that is not holy shouldn't be in a place of church. For you to be welcoming our guests and the useless people, occultism means you're also part of it. If you're not part of it, you have to run away. Bible says free from Satan, and they will free from you. I read the Bible 7 times from beginning to end. I know what Bible says. Light and darkness have nothing in common. He made sure Zion today. He can't move. He didn't gold. Bible talk and say gold are for Egyptian, are for kingdom of darkness. Why would I buy your useless gold? That means it gold. I bought Mauritian gold. I bought Singapore gold, 18 carats. Far back at 2004. 24 karat gold, Singapore gold, 200 and something thousand, 2003. Yeah, in a white gold, yeah, in a law gold. The bacha paint, my Asi, when you pattern quite fair, sing with McKinney, but already. Our sister Ogechi keep on, but don't invoke spirit of Undo as a wine. Pray in the name of Chukoke. You can pray in the name of Ndumbrandeg. They can pray in the name of Ndishie. Their prayer, the cry you have woke me up this morning. God have answered your prayer. He will confirm. All the things they have done this night, I'm here to terminate it. He will confirm it. That problem they want you to have in America is okay. Because how try even again, that's why they try to cross my meat. They do everything to cross me. But who that with God is what majority? Why are you not making video calling my name? You can't. Izu na agbaro na mmụọ izu na agbara agụ na azia ka ọ na-agụ ụmụbọchị ka izu ahụ n'ụbọchị ara mụtara mmiri ọ izu ahụ plan na other plan we na make it's going back to you people. More disgrace is coming. I don't know. You got to confirm ya. Bido tata wee kaba. Bido tata wee kaba. Ọ bụ na m ekwutogo ogu bụ J-Pack before he back from lie against me and blackmail me. Let me not say good thing. Then AguBaola before. If I have made a video call your name before, what I find on this set, I will not get it. I was talking with Akwa. J-Pack came out. I was talking with Ebuka. Just AguBaola came out. The same way you are talking to this our sister now came out to buy the case. Now, because of what I have done in the past, I'm here to bring you all of you down. Just AguBaola and J-Pack, correct it. Ị naghị ekwe ọ gwụrụ ị naghị egwọrọ mmụọ niile na-agbara gị mgba anọ m hia na-emebidatụ mmụọ fire ya confirm ya ọ bụrụ ebu ya bụrụ ụzọ gbuo onwe ya kwuru eche na ya ihe abụ ogu ihe abụ ọfọ ọmụ abụ high priest eze Chukwu Kadibia onye Chineke nyere ike to destroy and to defend ndị Igbo from evil. Eziokwu bụ ndị okwu asị bụ ọnwụ ihe a na-eme ekwuta ha na onye ọbụla na-ekwu eziokwu James AguBaola abata ịtọkọ mọtara very black man. You want to try to cover the truth. You want to try to cover the truth. Why are you trying to cover the truth? We know the truth. J-Pack on the FBI, do Facebook. Come out and defend yourself if you're not a homosexual. God punish you. I say, he that must go to battle must have a clear hand. Order. That thing he invited. He called me fake, he called me this way, just to collect money from Zion. Man Pewagas, J-Pack and DJ AguBaola. Uno got confirm here. Zion, we move. Come out your hand for this battle. This is a man-to-man. Uno got confirm here. One-on-one. Ebuka we have run from the past. You will not put him out. Reason why I want to back this our sister spiritually because Ebuka will not get involved there. And they have started using manipulation. To hey, Zion, you're posting. So you that you're going to Akwa. Was it not Ebuka fighting with Akwa, but you're going there? You claim you're a prophet, you're moving with the native doctor, so that your God no fit give you money. You're a hungry man. Hungry man can never serve God. A hungry man can never serve God. That's an all of the world. So he attack for 2 million. He just say another 10 million. He got get Jeremiah another so go my case another go. I forget to go just AguBaola. I've been watching what nonsense you're doing. You collect it. Yeah. And I may say, I'll do it on air, I'll show you. AguBaola, it can confirm. The same way I do, it's your own day for day. I go show you the date. Go and watch it. Now, November last year, is there. I'll keep do it, you confirm it. I'll give you 3 months. If something not happen, I'm not a prophet. I don't know. That evil plan you are made for me. I don't want to say that. Who can stop the truth? Who can battle with Yahweh? Today, trying to say so. They got to cover it to this. I want to think it on Ebuka. Just AguBaola. This is battle 101. Those your power you have, use it and challenge me. Get it now. Kaimeze man on man. No be to hide under Zion. No nonsense. No be to go and hide under Akwa. Come out and bring that your power. Ebenezer Church, I be stand on your own. Let us do it 101. Mapewagas, you confirm. This is my 30-something years in ministry. I started ministry 1990. I see no Mbaka, a spiritual father for ministry. I see no Ebuka for spiritual in the spiritual battle. I see no Jeremiah in the ministry. God ask question. Mapewagas, just AguBaola. You got correct here. You call me fake. I got what up. I got Gabon because of money. He go prove them. Let the angel of heaven arrest you. That's your police you're using to make mouth. Before I get making it, make arrest. God got to win a problem, it can never come out. It's all right. Put a bamboo na any with spiritual power. In America, don't worry. In America, because of the guy, you better cover. If you say a prophet like me, spiritual warlord, can I be a common sense? And I can't him and another wood. Him and what do you know about me? Have you worked for me? Have you done any movie with me? You don't know about me. He heard about me. You don't know nothing about me. Somebody will think he clear. That's AguBaola. Somebody will think he clear. He want the powers, Abi. Get all the powers. I'm here to dismantle you. He got tough. He got tough. He are confirmed. We are not here. I know the chess crowd. And see, I decided to sacrifice myself for this. Truth must stand. Yeah, I'm not cover the truth. Why you try to cover the truth? I'm not supportive of what our sister said about Ifeanyi. But what we're talking about J-Pack, we are supporting 100% because J-Pack is evil. So let us expose evil. Because if you don't expose the idiot, all that new content creator will be going to him. He will be to listen to useless people. Aro kusina Igbo. Anya choro gay. Anya chondra na akpontu. Anya what you need is truth. JPAC, blackmail me. Very well, have your videos. You prove it. If you want problem, you want police case, you prove it. You want court, you prove it. Spiritual, you prove it. Just AguBaola, we have your videos. Did I call your name? Are you Ebuka? Why can't you allow Ebuka to speak for himself? You must prove it. Any I want it, you send a police, you go prove them. You send a court, you go prove them. You send a spiritual word, you go still prove them. Because the angels must arrest you and they will suffer for it. Who does fought many kingdoms? As an Andy Bobo, and Chalk wine when I come of them after Martin Narcali fighting. Most of them are not there. Now, once Narcali is in prison, they want to come and take glory. We're fighting for Biafra. We're fighting. That's what is useless. When Akwa come and challenge the pastor, why not come out? Why not come out? You fight for God. Hear them alone. Ndibo, when I'm about to buy camera on this way. Ask them where are they when Akwa is challenging all the whole pastors. Where if anybody talk, he's the king of devil. Where are you people? I'm not sure. This is what Mazi Narka was happening. Mecha say Mazi Narka fight Chagola. People like what is a Dibia Mazi Dibia there, Matthias them, Miriam Wiro them, all preaching that will preach from Biafra that will support the women. Mazi Narka come out, make on account they do those nonsense. I will must watch you. Now they do tradition. Oh yeah, be Mazi Narka preach. Why not come out and preach tradition 10 years ago? You're preaching tradition. Now we get tradition. Can I be honest? Mazi Narka is a Judaism, Sabbath. We are the Igbo Jews. If you say we are not Igbo Jews, come and prove it. You attack, we are not Yahweh is Satan. This one, if Yahweh is Satan, I know the watch people watch you to work. Okay. We have to anybody that to watch people what I say, enemy of Ndibo. Oh no, no, watch people 1 million, enemy of Ndibo. Oh no, watch people Mary, enemy of Ndibo. Oh no, watch you why Jesus gay. Oh no, enemy of Ndibo. Jesus is a black man, Mary is a black woman. Oh no, I so black enemy for Mary, black I watch people what enemy of Ndibo. What I say why is working, you are enemy of Ndibo because Igbos we are holy people. Umuchuku okuke. Umuchuku is a chuku ukabioma. No other God. Igbo does not have two gods. Every other God has small God. Whether I call it is Samari, whether I call it Habagro, whether I call it Udidenka, whether I call it anything be like it, or they are small God. They are under my feet. I was in Abaramos, Okot in Abaramos, Mom in Abaramos, because I am the high priest of Chuku Okuke. Spiritual world. In Igbo land, Afa Chuku what? Chuku Okuke. In Hebrew language, Afa Yahweh. That's why my name is Prophet David Yahweh Chuku Kadibia. So know where I belong. I belong to the Most High God, Chuku Okuke. I belong to Yahweh, God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. I don't care to know whatever he said. Tell me the name of God in Yoruba. Is it not Oruwa? What is the name of God in Hausa? Is it not Allah? The same way Chuku is the God of Fundibo. The same way Oruwa is God of Fundi Yoruba. The same way Ara is God of Fundi Hausa. The same way Yahweh is God of Fundi Hebrew, Fundi Israel. So go to Israel and make a video telling that Yahweh is idol. Can I walk our life? No, try it. Go to Israel and do video telling that Yahweh is idol. Go there and teach them. You want to teach them? You know, teach them women and Igbo. Now, I shala. Can I be not 10 years ago? Can I be not 5 years ago? What are you teaching? What do you know you're teaching? You teach theology. Go and bring your book. Go without one dominant. Come and do Akwa Ekri. No, Akwa Ekri. If I can do I will do it. Power of Yahweh, I will do it. Then use the power of Amadio. Use the power of that Arosine. Use the power of somebody. Use it and do miracle. Use it and do Ikri. We know our forefathers and do that quickly. If you challenge tradition. Isn't it boy man and AguBaola Ikri? AguBaola, that means here, don't miss. Come and miss. Can confirm money Budibia. It's not that's a part of the spirituality. You can't come out and teach the spirituality without power. What are you representing? Or can pass on now. He starts talking. Are you now trying God cannot do miracle? It's good, you're preaching, fine. But you cannot underestimate the power of spirituality. Either with Satan have power. God have power. So if you're serving God, you don't have power, you're nobody, you're useless. You're serving Satan, you don't have power, you're useless. That's why Akwa can come and say it for anybody to come and talk, because he thought he have all the power. He said he have 200 and something, 280 demons. He don't know that I have 1.60 million angels. That's the Dibia was also Budibia. Dibia was also Budibia. Share the telecast. God bless you. We are in Zion City healing the nation. This is a program that's supposed to take by 8, but I want to now pray for you, but I don't think I've been awake since night. Because I do spiritual prayer. I pray for all my sons and daughters, my partners all over the whole world. This is our day 7 of fasting and prayer to liberate the world and to liberate in the Igbo. Know that anything I had on my page is truth. Anybody that say anything just want to, they saw the power. They cannot, how can this person challenge all the native doctor? They are running away. He ain't challenging many pastors. So, they are looking for a way. All of them gang up, thought they can do it. They can't. They can't. You are too small. I am the one that have authority of high priest of Chukwu Bioma. One in Igbo land. God USA. Prophet David Yahweh Chukwu Kadibia. I am a Berarosi. I am a Fermomiri. I am a watch you Mary. I am a watch you Dudenka. And I'm a watch you for Amadioha. Or Equus. I watch it as a Chukwu Abioma. In Igbo language, in Hebrew language, it's called Yahweh, Elohim, Adonai. Ibena Yoruba, Anakbo Yoruba. Ibena Hausa, Anakbo Allah. So, whatever you call it, you like, it's your own business. I don't know. I don't care to know. It's what I can care to know. If you claim Yahweh is Satan, go to Israel, go to their synagogue, preach to them. If they know about your life, if you come, I will check you. I will know you're a great man. As long as I cannot go to Israel and tell them that Yahweh is Satan, you're the satanic. You're just looking away to deceive people and begin to collect their money. Criminals in the name of traditions. Share the telecast. Share it. Thank them all. Power. Grace. Grace. Try and see. You know, train also. Apparently, from the clear spiritual world. All my own. I wish I could bring up on noise. Adam Barakas. Onye Chukwu si ọkọ ndị Igbo anya iba ọkọ mere fear nobody. Fear no another God. All power belongs to Chukwu. Ogechi, fear not. Give them what we are backing you. And not your fast, but God Almighty. Chukundi was more. I should help you in this battle. God bless you. Ezioku must stand. We are here to expose evil. We are here to speak the truth. We know the truth all seems. Power. God supreme. Into self-reduction. Chineke no. Jesus was in the no. Jesus is holy. Jesus is holy. Oh, listen to sinner Jesus. Jesus is holy. When Garna Jerusalem. Jesus is holy. Power. Jesus will never attack. Jesus bụ ọkụ na-eri mmụọ. Jesus bụ aka na-enye ego. Jesus bụ ụzọ na-abụ mmanya. Jesus si n'ebe ya. Jesus si n'ebe ya. Jesus bụ onye Igbo. Jesus bụ onye Igbo. O nwere ife ndị si na Jesus. Mgbe m gara na Jerusalem, egwu ndị eze ada ama aka spiritual warrior ọkara mara ọkara mmụọ high priest of eze Chukwu okike Abịọma ọmụmụ Yahweh ịnọchi ụzọ agbara isimikiri power of the package grace of this grace. It is my time to shine. It is your time to shine. We shall go with you all. No governor about one governor about one. I don't remember that terminated from this the more powerful altar in the world with 1.16 million angels. I set you free from occultic powers, from idol powers, from no-kid powers, from witch powers. Even in the church, Jesus is going to see. Now holy mountain Zion, Jesus is going to see. I read such a book at the Yahweh of Israel. Oh my God of Israel. Where are the Igbo Jews? Where are the Zionites? Here, Umuchukwokuke. We're not on Marose. We're not on Amadi. Power. Spiritual. Control physical. No just no akụkọ nke mere na 2000 years now ndị chawere ugbo ndụ nna nna anyị nwanne ọ bụrụ na agbanwe ụzọ were mgbe anyị gaghị ama na ọ na-etinye oke soro nwere mma mmiri ọkọcha nwere ọgatọrọ oke nwe egbe bere ibe ekpere siri ibe nkasi anya n'elu ndị ọcha ebuka anyị n'obodo ndị ọcha nwee anyị ndị ọcha nwee ndị ọcha emebe arụ ọ na-ezega elu ntị Jizọs bụ onye Igbo ka njụ na ajụjụ ndị Igbo si n'ebe bịa ndị Igbo nwanne m anyị bụ ụmụ Israel anyị buju Jizọs buju ụmụ Chukwu okike Abịọma ya ka ndị si na Jizọs bụrụ nwanne anyị Jizọs bụ onye Anambra mmiri Jizọs bụ onye Enugu steeti nwanne Jizọs bụ onye Owerri Imo steeti ewu Chineke m Jizọs bụ onye Igbo ọma Jizọs a na-afụ anyị na ikpeazụ Jesus of Nazareth. Jesus. When you're in Jerusalem, This is Igbo liberation, destroying the kingdom of darkness, destroying evil. Truth must stand. We are the holy people. Igbo land, we don't need evil. We don't need okite. We don't need occultism. We don't need influence. Truth will stand. Yahweh, David, David would go at to the Father State. All right, to the Father State. He not James Sabado I will say to Caribbean Karama, when they need land. I don't know. He can't no court. He can't run out Ruseno. Yes, the one in our song. The one in our bottom of son. Power. Keep your kid that walk on our boss song. I have done well. I have done one on you. Now keep us so. Jesus, he go. Oh, that's a what you don't know. No more to go. More than I when I'm any kind of man carry on one way. Jesus, he will open up Sarah. I'm Jesus, son, I find you know. The power. I wish you could go to Arabia. The catch a bulliego. The catch a maybe fair. He can and more. You know, Jerusalem. If you have more power, let me package it. I have 1.16 million angels. I am proud to tell you, if you stand on my way, I will send you to hellfire. Shall go with you all. This is Zion City, Igbo Liberation. Zion City healing the nation. My name is Prophet David Yahweh, the high priest of Ogechi, the most powerful author in the world. I am Ogechi of 4 Chukwuokoke, Igbo land. One of Igbo land. Ogechi of 4 Chukwuokoke. Number 1 of Igbo land. We boast in the name of Yahweh. We boast in the name of Chukwuokoke. We don't boast in the name of idol. We don't boast in the name of occultic. We don't worship idol. We belong from God heaven. We have come to destroy occultic and occultic and church of Satan. What is written is written. And Chukwuokoke. Onye Ebuka, onye misi ga-abụzi. Ụmụ David Yahweh, Chukwu gozie gị gozie ndị ọzọ. Ịnọrọ na Sapanchai. Ịnọrọ na South Africa, You know, America one day it is a production. I reach a chuku kadibia. One day, na chuku kadibia. One day, Goribe. Chuku gave you video. Share the telecast. Can one be one no quick one. This is how the God want to serve. This is our daughter, Ogechi Njaka. I'm here to say that God have heard your prayer. Our spiritual warlord, the high priest of Ezechukwu Okike Abioma, Onyeji offer and authority of Chukwu Okike, Chukwu Kadibia. I don't worship idol. I don't watch mommy water. I don't belong to occult. I have 1.16 million of ndị mmụọ ozi ịnọchi n'ụzọ agbara fim Chineke gọzie unu. Shalom.